legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
Wow. So you made it to day 10. All right, let's have a drink to that. You made it. All right, so here's what I would do on day 10. The 10th step would be to indoctrinate yourself with investing videos. I mean, just all day long. Just watch investing videos, candlestick videos, entry videos, sniper videos. I mean, anything investing related, watch it. Penny stock videos. Find out the good and the bad about this or that or the next thing. Just watch investing videos all day long and just get comfortable with the language and the things that you're hearing and the things that you're seeing. And I think that that is absolutely what you should do, because by the end of the day, you'll feel something. You'll feel something. Your brain will be wired and you'll feel a sense of confidence, because that's what happened when I did it. All right. So check it out. Investing videos.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be